Hey y'all, it is 100 degrees in the shade here in North Florida. If you count the heat index, they say it's between 107 and 110, and I think they're lying. It is so hot. I am just pouring sweat. I mean, just like a non-stop drip, 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 drip. So we are going to make a Rocky Road freeze. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Tammy, and this is all about living, and we're gonna get started. Okay, 6 ingredients, all you need. You're gonna need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, some heavy whipping cream, some chocolate syrup, some mini marshmallows, some walnuts, some chocolate chips, a small mixing bowl, and a magic bowl, which is just gonna appear in a few minutes. Okay, I was looking up today on YouTube to see if anybody had a Rocky Road recipe out there, to see if mine was the same or different or whatever. And all these make ice cream in 5 minutes, make ice cream in 5 minutes. And you have to put it in a Ziploc bag, inside a Ziploc bag, and put your ice in there and wrap it up in a bag and shake. Okay, it might work. It might work. Okay, I'm not saying it doesn't work. But that is for 1 serving, 1 cup. So what, you're going to give everybody in your house a 2 Ziploc bags and all this, use up a box of rock salt so everybody can get 1 cup of ice cream? No. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Put it in the freezer. Let it sit. Let it get to a soft serve or a hard serve, whichever one you like. It's easy peasy. You can do it the night before, and then the next afternoon it's all ready to go. No problem. Let's get started again. Okay, we're going to start. We're going to open our can of condensed milk. We're going to pour that into this bowl. Okay, this recipe makes about 4.5 cups of your freeze. But y'all, it does taste just like ice cream. Just like ice cream. It just doesn't require an ice cream maker. Okay, and we're going to use 1/2 cup of chocolate syrup. It's already looking good, right? We're going to get that all mixed together. All right, now we're going to set that aside and go get our magic bowl. Now we need a magic bowl. This bowl has been in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and it's really, really good and cold. And you need the bowl to be really cold. Now we're going to start adding our heavy cream. You need 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay, I'm going to pull everything down off the sides now. And whip it just a little bit longer. Okay, see how stiff? That's what you're looking for it to stick and stand up. All right. Now we're going to take our other bowl. Okay, we have nice whipping cream now. See how it's sticking to that spoon? Really nice and thick. And we're going to take our mixture here of chocolate and condensed milk, and we're going to pour that in. Okay, let's get all that. Now you're going to need a half of a cup of your nuts. And a whole cup of mini marshmallows. Which I'm dropping everywhere. This is a half cup dispenser. Let's get those out of there. All right. There we go. And a half a cup of chocolate chips. Whatever kind of chocolate chips you like. Yeah, Randy said a few more won't hurt, so in they go. Alright. I want to save enough for one more batch though, because this is so quick and easy. Now we're just going to fold all that together. What I'm going to do is, so I can have it after dinner, is I'm going to go ahead and just put it in these little 2.5 cup with a lid. And then sit those around in my freezer. And they really shouldn't take, it'll be at self-serve in 3 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. And so here we go. Just going to scoop that up. Get a little bit of everything. And drop it right in there. Get my lid. And, whoops. And go to the next one. This recipe makes 4.5 cups. And you could make it go a little bit further if you added more like of the marshmallows and walnuts. It can be doubled, tripled, how much ever you need. Okay, and that should be about enough for Randy. He might even ask me for mine. Alright, I am excited. I have my Rocky Road Freeze out of the freezer, and we are gonna bowl us some up. Look at that. Okay, let's get this. See, it'll make like a soft serve. It's been in there about 6 hours, and it's just barely going to be a soft serve. Let's get this bowled up. That, like that. I know he loves this. We have this every summer, but just so you see.
We're going to have it more than once this summer.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat Tammy's Rocky Road, and I might say something very appropriate. I love chocolate chip. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. First thing I have to chew and break up. Okay. Seal of approval.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna keep eating it, guys.
Yep.
We'll see you later.
Bye.